biggest critique of Coach D'Antoni was he doesn't stress defense. Yeah, that's the biggest problem with D'Antoni. Look at all the talent he has. That's not my biggest problem with him. My biggest problem is when they're